This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's glove box, rotate the fasteners and lower the fuse box. Identify the fuel pump fuse from the information on the fuse box cover. Then use the tweezers provided to extract the fuse. Start the engine, wait for it to stall, then turn the ignition off. Replace the fuse and tweezers. Raise the fuse box and secure it with the fasteners. Close the glove box. Position the jack head under the reinforced jacking point in the middle of the front subframe and raise the vehicle until the wheels are clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with axle stands under the plastic jacking points under the door sills. Undo the fasteners and remove the cover beneath the fuel filter. Disconnect the vacuum hose from the regulator. Slacken the clamps securing the hoses to the filter. Undo the retaining nut and remove the filter clamp. Place a container under the filter to catch the escaping fuel. Then disconnect the fuel outlet hose from the front of the filter, the fuel inlet hose from the rear of the filter, followed by the return hose. Connect the fuel inlet and return hoses to their original locations at the rear of the new filter. Then press the fuel outlet hose onto the port at the front of the filter. Tighten the hose clamps securely and reconnect the vacuum hose to the regulator. Refit the filter clamp and tighten the retaining nut. Maneuver the filter cover into position and secure it with the various fasteners. Remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground.